Yes, we had a very, internal kind of meeting with Honorable LOP Bitan Odhikari's wife, Shohini, and myself was there. And there were some discussions which is, it is best to keep it confidential. But otherwise, LOP has promised to be like before, he has completely promised to take the responsibility of the child. We are waiting for the central government's decision on the compensation and if there is any opportunity of giving a job, security of the family, everything. So it was a very calm, poised, almost 40 minutes meeting.
Today had an all-party meeting. What's your reaction on that in Delhi?
See, our government, our Honorable Prime Minister, our Honorable HM and our Honorable Defence Minister has very categorically said that we will not tolerate zero tolerance on terrorism. And we have seen it before. We are not Jawaharlal Nehru. We don't create problems of Kashmir. We don't create problems of Ladakh. POK, all these things have been created by the Congress government. We are there to give a, what you say, a muh tod jawab, a befitting reply. Of course, some diplomatic, initiatives have been taken, some sanctions have been implemented on Pakistan. But that will be a problem for the citizens of Pakistan. We want Modi ji takes some plans to have a surgical strike so that Pakistan's military, who are behind this, especially the Chief of Army Staff, Asim Munir, to be taught a lesson. And 140 crore Bharatvasi are now screaming that we want Asim Munir's head. I'm not saying, Bharatvasi is saying.
CCS reviews security situation, vows to bring perpetrators to justice.
We are absolutely confident, This is a no-nonsense government. This is not Mamata Banerjee's government that till now she didn't have the time to say, or she didn't have the guts to say that it has been caused by Islamic fundamentalists. She never said. She said terrorist doesn't have any religion. Of course, terrorists have religion. Terrorists said that are you a Hindu or a Muslim? Recite the kalma. She is again trying to play politics. I would like to request Mamata Banerjee to take out a Insaf Yatra, jaise, the time she had taken out for Rizwanur, Insaf Yatra for Murshidabad and Kashmir Hindu brothers and sisters. I want Muhammad Salim to take out a Insaf Nyay Yatra like he had taken out, CPM had taken out for Anis Khan. I want Rahul Gandhi to take out a Insaf Yatra, Nyay Yatra. He talks big, na? But these people are all hand in gloves with Pakistan, with anti-India forces. And 140 crore Hindu, Rashtravadi Musalman, Sikh, Christian, everybody has understood their face, their mask. Everybody knows that.
Families of victims of Pahalgam urge government to take strong action.
Even my sister today, Shohini, yesterday also when I came with her in the same car from the airport, she's in shock and it's very natural. And every 15 minutes, she's crying out and saying, I want justice. She's looking at her phone and taking out her husband's picture. And she's crying. I want my husband back. How will I lead my life? I want justice. She's telling LOP, I hope you will take an action and I will get justice. We will get justice. Definitely we said, Modi ji is there. Modi hai to mumkin hai. Modi ji will give you justice.
Government of Pakistan's account on X handle withheld in India.
We don't want to have any kind of relationship, I think, with the Pakistan government, and the government of India is taking decision on it. I don't have any information on the X handle that you said. But from yesterday, we have seen after the CCS meeting, several steps have been taken, and very strong sanctions have been imposed on Pakistan. But again, 140 crore Bharatwasi are shouting, we want Badla, we want revenge, we want Asif Muni's head, the Chief of Army Staff who is behind this. We will kill the terrorist. It's not a big thing. But Chief of Army Staff and Pakistan military who have been operating from Pakistan needs to be taught a lesson.
5 steps are taken from the government. What's your reaction?
I told you it's diplomatic, sanctions which have been imposed. And summers have set in. Global warming is there. Temperatures are rising. And in such a scenario, if water from river Sindhu, Indus, is closed, then definitely the people of Pakistan will be in great problem. Staff from the embassy have been reduced. Visas have been cancelled. Everybody, Pakistani who has come to India, have been asked to leave India before 1st of May. I think these are very big steps. But again, we want surgical strike like Pulwama, like Balakot, like Uri.